This is the life.
Look at Ember. Bruh.
I'm putting my moisture wicking compression socks on. They actually label which sock goes on which foot.
Do they really help your feet though?
I didn't know there was a difference. What, Vivian?
Do they really help your feet though?
Yeah. Yeah, they do.
After I unplug the cord that my foot's on.
Unplug the what?
My cord that my foot's on.
Actually, I'm gonna get the one that's underneath my desk, okay?
Oh. Probably a good idea. Because we need to replace that old cord that we have in your car. Why are you paying my purse?
Because it has your ID information in it.
Oh yeah. Bring my glasses there and
We're bringing my purse too, and your glasses are in my purse.
yeah. I had those things for like years. Yeah. Is it lunch or dinner time?
It's nothing time. You just had lunch. We had brunch. You got one nugget left, dude. You want it?
No.
Haha, see, you're not hungry. Haha. Haha, I say, haha.
Right. I can't wait for dinner though. Because we're going to
Well, yeah, Mama wants to go get deep dish pizza.
sure. Ugh. Why's my jaw keep popping when I yawn? Like why?
I don't know, bro. Are your feet properly compressed?
Yeah.
Looking right?
Yeah, and I gotta put my shoes.
Bruh.
That's right.
Hey Dad,
Right.
put us away please.
Oh, you dude. Alright.
Ugh. My goodness.
You're a yawny little yawn monster.
Not even adult.
Well, I don't know, man.
I am 18, you know.
Oh. Well, I need that.
I do need coffee sometimes.
Coffee. Maybe later.
Yeah, probably a good idea. Just know my eyes are probably gonna be dilated. My eyes are probably gonna be.
Honey,
Oh, let's hope not.
what? There's a chunk sunning herself on the plant stand.
Aww.
Vivi, look. Show Mama.
Aww. Oh, look at how cute she is.
She's sunning herself in the sunlight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Look, Ember's like, what you doing up there? Hannah. You take a picture?
I'm videotaping.
Oh.
Right, I'm going upstairs to get a couple of pads. Actually, I think I'm just going to grab a pack of pads to keep in the car.
Yeah. You should.
Grab
have-
ones from my backpack.
Okay. Well, actually,
Nah, whatever.
you should have a couple in the van already.
Yeah, I doubt that.
I don't know, dude. I keep some in the car.
I doubt that.
I'll bet you $1 trillion. What are you doing? Hannah kitty.
Oh yeah, so I took a look
Get your kitty.
at stuff that was for sale at the Max on Randall.
Oh, yeah.
It's because it's closing.
Mm-hmm.
The prices are the same as they were normally.
Yeah, good grief.
They,
There's not even any signs, 40% off
Oh, no.
marked.
yeah. It shows like an original price of
Mhm.
like $500, and then it's got a red slash through it and says now marked down to $250, and I'm like, it was another $500.
Honey,
What?
do something with this last nugget.
I can't do anything right now.
I said do something with this last nugget.
She can't even do anything.
She can.
Okay. I love that she jumps up.
You get a little hop.
Uh-huh.
Hello, Hannah Kitty. Hannah Kitty's all toasty warm.
Yeah, because of that.
I know. Is that going to be your new spot, Hannah? Should we put a little comfy blankie there?
Or a box.
Wait. Hannah.
She won't fit in there.
She was trying a minute ago. Hannah. I know. All right, is everybody ready?
Why are you bringing my huge handkerchief?
It's going to live in the van.
We got to make sure that we bring water bottles up front.
Why are you bringing a huge handkerchief?
It's going to live in the van, so that whenever we go somewhere, you always have pads.
Make sure you buy extra more because of, school or not.
Yeah, I know. I got to pack up all your school stuff tomorrow.
Well, technically college.
Let's go out the garage, okay? All right.
True. Because of
We can lock this door, so I don't have to fish for and try to find my keys. We'll be back soon, Du Bois. I'll be home soon, puppy.
technically true because of Crud, what are we doing again?
What's your name?
Crud, what are we doing again? That's supposed to be out here. Oh my. Holy moly.
There's a big case inside with water in it, but I don't think it's going to open. Okay.
I just unplugged whatever the cord was. So you can plug the thing back in.
Oh, wait, I got to get the cords. That's right. Thank you for reminding me, Vivian.
Cords.
Yeah, cords are where my purse sits. That are inside
Oh boy. Okay.
for her plug stuff in.
Not even not even. Bleh. Did you all Mom put on me is busy me up?
What?
What are we doing again?
What do you mean? What are we doing?
I'm sweating.
What?
I'm sweating.
Over Pete's wedding? Or are you taking a long weekend?
I'm sweating.
Oh.
Bruh. You forgot, didn't you?
Got everything? Mm-hmm. You sure?
I thought of making a cup of coffee, but
Okay.
get coffee.
At Starbucks. Eh. Mom,
What?
the thing I'm holding.
Oh.
Text Alex when you get a chance and let him know that we just left.
And that way lock the front door.
Yeah, but he can get in. We can just use the garage